In this video, I will share with you how to open Deutsche bank account. If you want to open bank account, follow me on these simple steps. Go to Google, search for open Deutsche bank account, then scroll down. You will see this option, current account. From here, you will hit this option. This is for MasterCard, and the account you will offer a free credit payment and Apple Pay and Google Payment link and free account. Just click this open and Germany here option, and then click I'm not a customer yet, and then I would like an individual account, and for example this is for individual. Click this option and then desired account. From here you have €0 fees. Scroll down till this option, click agree for conditions, this one, and this by phone. If you want to use a free service by phone or email, then click this option. After that, guys, you will see fill all this information. If you are a woman, and first name and last name, and your birthday dates. This is for birthday dates, for example, and select your state, married or something like this, and then check your information. This is optional information. Then choose your nationality and write your questions, your all training here, and I am a US citizens, and I'm exclusive tax information if you have a resident in Germany, and then write your address, fill your all address guys informations and contact address option, and then click this option. After click this option, you should be upload your documents, legal documents, and then you can upload your ID identification. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, leave a like and share this video.